This is a parliamentary dictation with a speed of 60 words per minute taken from Sir Kailash Chandra's shorthand transcription number 447. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Sir, you are aware that on every occasion and whenever the report of the Union Public Service Commission was debated in this House, we had the advice of this House, and I am very happy to point out that gradually whatever difficulties there were in the way of the working between the Union Public Service Commission on the one hand and of the Government of India on the other hand have all been removed, and we have before us a report where they have clearly stated that there was no case in which the Commission's advice was not accepted by the government during the year under report. May I point out here that the general policy that the government have been following in this respect was to accept the Commission's advice whenever a reference had been made to them. Here we have a statutory body which has been called upon to carry out certain functions, and therefore the government are anxious to accept their views to the fullest extent, though what they do is naturally under the terms of the consultation to give constitution to give advice that they tender to government. That is a factor which has to be noted in this connection. Para. I would not like to deal at great length with the very illuminating report of the UPSC. Their task has naturally been growing year after year, and I would point out for the information to the House that during the year under report they had examined candidates to the tune of 62,000. So many candidates had appeared at various examinations. There are a number of services, 12 in all. So far as the central services are concerned, and 2 All India services are also concerned. In respect of them, we have a competitive examination held every year, and we accept their recommendations and make appointments thereupon. They have pointed out that in this year the number has increased by 6,000 over the number for the last year. They have also further dealt with the lists of qualified candidates that they had supplied. Incidentally, we might also note that the number of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates has been increasing, though I must confess that it is increasing at a slow pace. This question was discussed by this House the other day when there was a debate on the report of the Commission. Stop.